Did you know 9 expert hikers fled their tent barefoot into a deadly blizzard and nobody knows why? February 1959, the Ural Mountains in Soviet Russia. 9 experienced mountaineers set up camp on Kholat Syakhl. These weren't beginners. They were seasoned hikers, well equipped for the minus 30-degree Fahrenheit conditions. But something went terribly wrong that night. They slashed their tent from the inside and ran into the freezing wilderness, wearing almost nothing. 3 weeks later, search teams found their bodies scattered across the mountainside. The injuries made no sense. Crushed ribs with no external wounds, missing eyes and tongues, one skull completely fractured. But the most disturbing discovery came from the lab tests. Some clothing showed high radiation levels. Several bodies had strange orange skin discoloration. The Soviet government immediately classified the investigation files. For decades, they remained sealed, marked top secret. What really happened on Dead Mountain that night remains one of history's most chilling mysteries.